Hi, my name is Todd Neilsen. I did 25 years with the San Jose Police Department. Did narcotics, prostitution, fugitive apprehension, and human trafficking. I spent almost my entire career doing something that was tactical related. Almost every day I spent in body armor, even when we were doing up close and personal stuff or doing UC buys and stuff. I'd take the trauma plate out of my soft armor and I'd just shove it into a compression shirt and just at least have something over my chest so that I could have some type of ballistic protection. So I've been running the T-Shield now. I've used it for workouts, I've used it for shooting drills, I've used it for just concealed carry stuff. Worn it to church a number of times and underneath a suit. The comfort level of it is absolutely outstanding. It's something that I could definitely wear every single day for a CCW stuff, or having done covert narcotic stuff for somebody that's trying to do a covert or low profile operation. It definitely gives them the body armor protection that they're going to need for that type of scenario and still give them the full protection that they're going to need. The technology that they're using makes it, number one, nice and lightweight. Makes it super easy to form to your body. Normally if you buy a Kevlar vest or something like that, it takes a couple weeks for it to break in. The one that they gave me to test, I actually was able, within an hour, had it contoured to my body. In my experience in watching and doing research on the company itself and watching the videos and stuff, any piece of body armor that can take 80 hits plus and still stopping rounds and not have any perforations, that in and of itself is amazing. So from that performance standpoint alone, anything that can take those multiple hits over and over again, that in and of itself should tell you that the technology's there.